Here's a RIMOWA case as part of my luggage collection. I've got several of these. Check-in, original, classic, and this is the original Cabin Plus, which is a larger version of the original that you would normally see. It comes in 3 colors. I've also had one with the topaz, which is a combination of a limited case, which is online for you to have a look if you're interested. Otherwise, here we are. Plastic, what do you call them? A plastic locks, TSA approved, plastic handle, aluminium shell, made in Germany. You can get your name engraved. Telescopic handle, plastic grip, plastic little feet. You're resting the bag horizontally this way so that the wheels don't get bumped around. Plastic wheels. Anyhow, so that's the RIMOWA Original Cabin Plus, which is most of the business cabins will accept this, but airlines are pretty strict as to how you could take this as hand luggage, exception to the European carriers. Here in the UK, British Airways is one of the carriers that accepts this bag as a cabin bag. Every other carrier you would have to check this in. There you go, RIMOWA. Where is it made? Germany. A company that's almost 100 years of history and tradition. The interior has changed to somewhat these velcroed little flaps to organize your suitcase inside can be detached. If you have any issues with the handle, you can unzip from here and access the inside of the case as you would with all aluminium cases. There we go. How much padding? You don't need any padding anyway. You're carrying clothes. You're not going to carry your fragile items in here. Well, you can if you got the right packing. And that's inside. Simple, functional, gives you extra space if you need. And here you got a full flat depth of the case for you to pack all your 2 to 3, maybe even a week worth of necessities. These days people are carrying their whole home, unable to know how to pack just for a quick trip. Carrying because the wheels take the burden of you having to carry around your back. In the old days, people would only carry what was needed for their survival. Today, they would carry everything to destroy their own back, their own shoulders, necks, spines, and so on. With such loads, you simply don't need to carry if you're traveling on a short trip or a short journey. Even for a long journey, you should be carrying anything because everything could be bought wherever you're going to go. because only if your mind has been set to a very, very simple way to live, that is,